Hi students. To prepare ourselves for the coming weeks in beginning guitar, I'm talking about bar chords. We need to get this first finger stronger. So we'll start with, I'm at the 5th fret. The 5th fret is easy to find because you have maybe a little white dot like this one. And we'll start with 3 fingers. Now, we could do 2, and that would be like an F chord. And I would say, I'm making up kind of just a rhythmic strum, like 16 beats or 4 measures of 4. And it would be something like this: 1, 2, to build up strength, and 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Now, I was counting the measures. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. And then 4, 2, 16 beats. And then I kind of slid it down to the 4th fret with just 2. Now, 3 fingers would be 1, 2, 3 on the 5th fret. Be it's a little more sound. And again, 4 times 4, 4 measures of 4, 4 is 16. And I'm just doing the 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Here we go. One more time. This is with 3 fingers now. 1, 2, ready, practice. 2, 3, 4. Let's slide. 4, 2, 3, 4. And the strum I'm doing is just my wrist. It's just, it's like 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3. A very simple rhythmic, just to make it a little bit more interesting. Now, every week we could stay with 3 fingers for about 6, 7 days. And then when we feel ready, add another string, 4 strings on the 5th fret. Only because the 5th fret is easier to push down than it is on the 1st fret because of the nut. All right, students, have fun with